Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 28th day of July, 2025. And the setup is quite simple. If you've been following us at all, you know we love our strong candle indicator right here, which means this candle pushing towards the bottom of the screen short is 2 times stronger than the candle previously. So that's looking very, very nice for a short. We're going to grab that and take it the other way. So it's a larger chart move as well. So even though the PVI expect the next candle to be anywhere between 30 and 70 ticks long. So we're going to go over to our ATM and we're going to use our 16, 31, and 61 ATM for that. Two targets on the first, two contracts on the first target, de-risk the trade immediately, and then see if we can catch our runners. The usual stuff we do every day. This was a trade taken in the room by myself and others. So here is how it all worked out. And there is not much of a tail to uh, this this candle right here. So we're going to go right underneath the candle, and this is how it all played out. We'll just do regular speed until it happens pretty quickly. I don't think this is going to take that much time if I remember properly. So we'll just get picked up. All we need to do is put our stop where it's supposed to be and let the ATM take care of it from there. So it's a really nice retrace. I'm loving the retrace. So if this fails and comes back through, it should pay us fairly easily. Now we just sit and wait. If we don't get picked up and it just wants to run the other way, brilliant. Go ahead and run long. If it picks us up, almost guaranteed to get our first target taken out. All right, here we go. Here comes the retrace back. Lovely. Picture perfect retrace here. All right, it's taking its good old time. I don't remember it taking that long, but maybe it did. It got pretty slow there for a while. But then with this one, it picked up pretty quick. All right, so we're in. Our stop is actually pretty much where it's supposed to be. So we just need to get our first target hit. We'll de-risk the trade and see if we can get runners to the other two. I'll speed it up. Well, there you go. Once it gets going, it goes fairly quickly, if I remember right. So first target's out, stop comes down to a break-even position. So even if the market comes back and takes out my stop, it'll be break even, and I have an option to re-enter the trade again. So love those ATMs. This is 4 times speed of the market. So you can tell the market was pretty doggone slow today. We'll get another order ready just in case it does take us out of break even. Don't believe it did. So we'll see. Obviously, it's going to take more than one candle. There's no reason to get out of the trade. Just let it go. All right, everything stays the same. Again, this is 4 times speed of the market to show you how slow the market was today. Painfully slow in some ways. So should I speed it up more? Maybe. Nice retrace. Nice push through. It's the third candle of the run. Most of the time it's going to push short anyway. Seems like it took forever. I don't think we're not going to need this. We're not going to need that. It just needs to come through and pay our last target. All right, now we got another strong candle. There's no reason to get out of the trade. And we just went, all right, so that's out. Now that took about 11 minutes to complete and was worth 605 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 600 US dollars in less than 11 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless, and we'll see you next time.